Hey guys, have you been looking for a high converting marketing system that you could use in network marketing, affiliate marketing, and high ticket offers? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to let you know about this system right here that you can actually use to build and grow your email list and be able to get high quality leads and traffic through this system and be able to keep 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. So this is a turnkey residual income system, and I'm going to be sharing it with you in this video. So what you're looking at right now is actually the capture page to the high converting turnkey residual income system. And what happens is when people go through the system and they buy something, then you get 80% of the residual income that comes through here. So how this works is this is already a funnel that is set up and done for you that you can actually use. And what it does is it verifies the email, so that way you're getting clean leads on your email list, because that's very important to get clean leads to your email list. And you want to make sure that they're real people, right? So anybody that you bring to this page through the system, they're going to actually be able to get on your email list, and you're going to have high quality leads and traffic, right? And that's one of the things that most people struggle with when they're getting started online is they don't know what pages to use, how to actually create a funnel system, how to get it up and going. And normally when you have a funnel that you're connecting and you have email with that, you have to set up the DKIM, DMARC, and SPF records. We have that already done for you, so you don't have to worry about it. You can link a domain to this page right here, and then what they go through is they'll get a giveaway, and the giveaway is the same thing that you'll get if you opt into this page. And this is the second link below this video. So if you go to the second link below this video, you'll see this page right here in the comments. And if you opt into it, you're going to learn how to actually build and grow your own systems so you can actually make more money with online marketing, right? So it's going to give you a ebook that actually shows you exactly how to build your system out the right way, so that way you can actually grow in business. So if you want that book, then make sure you put your name and email in the second link below this video, right? So what this basically does is it helps you to retain high quality leads and traffic. And if they put in a fake email, and if you put in a fake email, you won't get to the other side. So make sure you put in a real email that you actually use and check, and that you're going to be using, because that's the only way that you're going to get the information that I'll be sending over to you, right? And so what happens is we set it up to where you can get up and going without having to do any setup, which is very, very cool, because a lot of times when people get started, they have to set everything up themselves. They have to go and buy the domain. They have to do the DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records. They have to set up the emails. They have to set up all that stuff, right? And even if it's given to you, it's normally a swipe. And swipes are bad for your email deliverability, because if everybody's sending out the same swipes, then what happens is the email service provider looks at that as spam, and then you get flagged, right? And then your emails will start to land in spam because they look like spam, right? And they don't have your story in it. So anytime you're writing an email, it's very, very good for you to write your own emails, right? So here's what you actually get if you get into the system. So you're going to learn all about funnels and how to do it the right way. We have some training back here and everything like that. So you'll learn all this stuff back here. Here's how to set up your funnels and everything like that. And then we have some training on how to build our custom pages and things like that. And the cool part about it is, if you don't want to do any of this building your stuff yourself, we have custom pages back here. So this is the first link that you'll find below this video. Then if you go to this funnel icon, so you'll get, if you use our funnel builder, you'll get this funnel builder right here. You go here and you go to add new step, you go to add a page, and then we have professionally done template pages for you that you could actually use for any kind of offer, right? So this actually helps you to build and grow your business online. So, once you get that, ebook, if you want to use the funnel builder tool with all the goods that you get with it, it's $35. And this is going to allow you to build any kind of pages. And these pages are custom made by my web guy who built out my traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com, right? So if you want to get your hands on that with this builder, you're able to actually build out pages, websites, membership sites, whatever you need specifically for your business. This even has a booking widget so you can actually book your appointments. If you're a coach, it will work very well with you and your business, right? So these are some very nice pages that they're created way better than any system, and they're custom done. They're not just a cookie cutter template that everybody's using. These were professionally made for people to use, right? So it's really nice in that way because you can have all kinds of pages, all kinds of offers. Whatever you want to promote, you can use this tool right here. And you might say, hey, Gio, that's all good, but how do you actually get traffic to the offer that you have, right? So you want to know how to get traffic to your offer. Well, we have a section in here. It's called Premium. And Premium is the tool that I use to create my high quality thumbnail image that you saw. And I also use it to write stuff. So we have, premium tools right here. And one of the things, we have a writer. That's the highest quality writing, like copywriting, that you could possibly get. It helps you and it gives you feedback. And then we have an image generator here, and it helps you to, generate the image. We have a prompt right here. So, if you start typing what kind of image you want to create, like I just created this image, this morning, and it gave me this prompt right here, right? So I put it in here, and then it creates the prompt right here, and then you just hit send to the creator, and it puts it right here, and it generates the exact image that you want right here. That's one of the tools that we have, right? And we also show you traffic strategies. So there's every kind of traffic strategy that you could possibly want back here. So we teach you how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to get leads with Facebook, how to follow up with your leads, how to do short form lead generation by video, how to do YouTube ranking. We show you all this stuff back here. There's just so much back here. Facebook Lives, podcasting, how to do that in your business. There's every kind of traffic strategy that you could possibly think of, and there's also YouTube video automation, right? Or faceless video automation, I should say. We have that back here as well in the page section, right? So this is all back here for you to learn this stuff for free. You get 2 weeks free of this when you sign up for the funnel builder tool. So you'll be able to create your systems, right? So if you want to get your hands on this, then go through this page right here, and then you'll learn more about it. And if you want to sign up, then just sign up. It's only $35, and you get 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching where we go over the shoulder. We show you how to write emails that serve and sell. We show you how to create video content, how to rank that video content, what kind of equipment to use, how to actually connect with people on Facebook. Any kind of questions that you have, you could answer those, get those questions answered every single day, right? So you don't have to do everything on your own. You could get help with your business, help with your marketing, and be able to grow and get 80% of everything that comes back to you. So you're going to learn all about that when you put your name and email into this page. And if you want more information, then just go to the link below this video. Also, if you have any questions, leave your questions below this video. I will answer them. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I have links to my my traffic store down there as well. So if you want to get some high quality traffic, you could come to profitbuilderstraffic.com. There's a link below for that as well, and I help you to get high quality traffic to your offers. And I want to make sure that your traffic is targeted to the offers that you're promoting, and I want to make sure that you get high quality traffic. What makes me differ from everybody else is the fact that I actually help you, and I will give you feedback on your funnel. I will help you. And when you get traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources. And I help you to set up your funnel and your offer. So if you've ever been struggling to get traffic, you're not only going to learn about traffic strategies when you get into here, you're also going to be able to make sure you have your funnel set up the right way, right? And so, yeah, if you want to learn more about some paid traffic, you can go over there, or you can click on the link below this video. The one directly below this video is going to be this page. You could also come into here, but you should go through the turnkey page so you know exactly how to design systems and things like that. There's a lot of good value in there. So, make sure you come over here and you come to this page right here and put your information in. It's going to be the second link below this video. And if you have any questions, you can also reach out to me. I have a link to my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And I appreciate you for watching, and bye for now.